Speed defines air dominance. Here are the top 10 fastest fighter jets ever built. Number 10. F-15 Eagle from the USA, Mach 2.5, 3,017 kilometers per hour, unmatched agility and power. Number 9. Su-27 Flanker from Russia, Mach 235, 2,900 kilometers per hour, elegant but fierce. Number 8. MiG-31 Foxhound from Russia, Mach 283, 3,470 kilometers per hour, the high-altitude interceptor. Number 7. F-14 Tomcat from the USA, Mach 234, 2,870 kilometers per hour, the Top Gun icon. Number 6. Eurofighter Typhoon from Europe, Mach 2.0, 2,495 kilometers per hour, precision in motion. Number 5. Dassault Rafale from France, Mach 1.8, 2,220 kilometers per hour, beauty meets power. Number 4. F-22 Raptor from the USA, Mach 2.25, 2,410 kilometers per hour, stealth and speed united. Number 3. MiG-25 Foxbat from Russia, Mach 3.2, 3,900 kilometers per hour, built to chase the uncatchable. Number 2. SR-71 Blackbird from the USA, Mach 3.3, 4,020 kilometers per hour, faster than missiles. And number 1. NASA X-15 from the USA, Mach 6.7, 7,273 kilometers per hour, almost touching space. These jets pushed engineering beyond limits. Which one's your favorite sky beast? Comment below.